Hello, it's Saturday again. It's come round already, and it's Andrew here, and I'm in the greenhouse, and today I am sowing Greek oregano. And you may have noticed, for those with a keen eye, that these were on the front of Gardener's World in May. So, we bought it because we like the 2-for-1 card. It gets us into gardens for cheaper. No brainer when you've got seeds on it as well. So let's grow some Greek oregano. So last time we looked at sowing Nicotiana, and we're using exactly the same mix of 50-50 perlite and compost, preferably peat-free. Let's take some out. But this time we're not growing them in a tray. We're growing them in a pot because this pot will be their home for quite a while. So we're sowing several, like so. Look at that, out of the way. Let's look at the seed. Again, this is fine seed, but it's different. I can sow quite a lot of this because each of these will become a plant. Won't sow all of it. There you are, scattered over the surface. And remember the trick, when putting it back in the packet, do it over the pots. That way, if anything falls off, it goes in to the soil. Now, I need to cover this, and here's a little nifty trick I learned. Get another pot like so, fill it with some compost, and there we go. You have your own little sieve, which will cover the seeds. Another nifty trick. And then all it is a matter of label, in we go. Now, remember those mushroom trays from last week? They do have another use. Put them there. Like so. There you are. Nice little seed tray, little container for us that'll hold all my oregano. That's it. There's my Greek oregano. And I've got loads of it all over the garden, but I love sowing it, I love growing it, and I love eating it. So, the great thing about herbs is they are incredibly tough and incredibly easy to sow from seed. Thyme does this really well. Thyme's great. All these will just become one plant. It won't become congested. They're quite happy to fight it out amongst themselves. I'm going to put this on the south facing side of my greenhouse underneath the staging. Give it a good water. Leave it alone. 21 days from now, I should have plants. So, remember, we're here every Saturday. And if you enjoy our films, look at our shorts too. We've got plenty of them coming up through the week. And until next time, it's goodbye from me. And have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.